Hey there, welcome back to Kids Week channel, and thank you for always stopping by, guys, and welcoming my new viewers. You are cherished, and thank you for joining Kids Week family. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and turn on your notification icon so that you will be notified whenever a new video drops. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate. So let's move on by concluding the last segment of the common baby illness and illnesses. We started in some weeks ago by rounding everything up today with cold and cough, which they both work together, meaning that when a baby has cold, if care is not taken, can also lead to having cough. Yeah, because when a baby has dry cough, it shows that the baby is suffering from cold, said by medical experts and pediatricians. And also the two, that is the cold, talking of cold and cough, both have the same symptoms and same almost the same treatment. So that's what I want you guys to take note of. Moving on, looking into the lasting days of a cold, it falls between 5 to 7 days, while coughing is between 3 to 5 days. And when it is more than these few days, guys, you have to consult a pediatrician, please. Now, there are don'ts, or precautions that is attached to the relief of this illness. And these are: number one is baby or babies with cough or cold must not sleep with their tummies down. Yeah, they must not sleep with tummy down. Take note of that. Number two, must not be given honey as remedy for cough if baby is still under 2 years. Three is Vicks, or there's a particular rub that they call Vicks, or even the original rub, is not appropriate for the baby's chest, feet, or nose. Some mothers will say, let me apply the rub on the chest of the baby to make the baby warm, or feet or nose. No, please. When baby is not over 2 years, don't use all the days for the baby, please. Then another one is, don't use eucalyptus oil for baby under 2 years. When your baby is still under 2 years or it's not over 2 years, please don't use the oil for the baby. So that's all about the precautions. Then the symptoms are, as I said earlier on, that both cold and cough shares the same symptoms. So whenever you see a baby with a nasal congestion or blocked nose, the baby is either coughing or suffering from cold. Another sign is stuffy nose. The baby will be, the nose of the baby will be blocked, or that be stuffy, will not be able to breathe properly. The baby will be breathing with the mouth, opening down the mouth always. Sneezing, runny nose. The hands and feet will be cold, and so on. Here are the tips for relief too. So the tips for relief is, the first one is, you inhale warm water. Let the baby inhale warm water. Help the baby to put hot water in the bowl. Cover up the baby with not completely, just like it's showing, with either towel or a soft towel or a flannel or a blanket. But make sure you are vigilant so that the baby will not push down, or you won't push down the baby's head into the hot water. So while the baby is inhaling the hot water, it will soften the stuffy nose, and the mucus will easily come down, and the baby will be able to breathe properly. Number two is, steam the baby's room. The area or the room of the baby have to be warm. Yeah, let the baby's room be warm. Then humidifier is very, very important in the environment so that there won't be congested or air or just free air or ventilated environments. Then take enough warm fluid. Let the baby take enough warm fluid. Feed the baby with enough warm fluid. And at this particular time, you try to increase the fluid intake of the baby. Yeah, that's another relief. Then baby should stay warm. Try to put on a comfy dress and let the baby be warm, comfy and warm dress for the baby. Then suction baby's nose with rubber bulb syringe if it's cold. Yeah, if the baby has cold, you try to suction the baby's nose in order to relieve the baby. Then use nasal saline drops like that for the baby suffering from nasal congestion or stuffy nose. Then let the baby sit uprightly always if the baby is not sleeping. And while napping or sleeping, let the baby sleep with side or with his or her back. Don't let the baby sleep on the tummy, as I said in the precautions and don'ts. And topping it up with a local relief. Mommy can use the mouth, as you can see, to suction for a baby with cold or to relieve stuffy nose of the baby or congested nose of the baby. At least it will relieve the baby and the baby will be fine. And this will close up today's video and totally close up everything about illness and illnesses, common illnesses in babies. And I hope you guys have gained one or two things so far in this in the common illness and illnesses of babies. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't hesitate to share the videos. Please guys, I really appreciate you guys and thank you so much, and then I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.